Hi everyone, my name is Rajiv and English is easy is my website. English is easy मेरी website है and this is my website www.englishiseasy.apg.com. I am TESOL certified English trainer or teacher. English as secondary language. ESL stands for, and TESOL stands for teaching English to the speakers of other languages. And this TESOL certificate is accredited teaching qualification from World TESOL Academy, and I completed it last year on 21st April 2020. And this is the second part of the Hindi to English translation video series, in which I am telling you about the basic meanings which are used to translate Hindi वाक्य to English. Atop is the meaning ATOP, atop, and the parts of speech of this word is preposition. Atop means के ऊपर, and it is used with riding, and riding means horse riding or any animal riding. In that case, atop, this preposition is used. And the next meaning is bearing or except, and the parts of speech of both these words which are preposition and having the same meaning is preposition, and the pronunciation is written here in Hindi, bearing, barring, bearing or barring, anything can be spoken, and except, it is written here in Hindi, except, यह हिंदी में लिखा हुआ है, और it means, and it means को छोड़कर. And the next meaning is before, 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 and the parts of speech of this before is preposition. Again, this is preposition, and the pronunciation is before, which is written here, which means पहले. Before means पहले. And the next meaning is behind, and the spelling is BEHIND, preposition. Again, this is preposition, and the pronunciation is behind, and the meaning is के पीछे, means के पीछे, किसी भी वस्तु, किसी भी चीज़ या किसी भी लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स के पीछे हो तो उसकी इंग्लिश हम बिहाइंड लगाते हैं. जब मैं हिंदी टू इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन स्टार्ट करूँगा आफ्टर टेलिंग दी बेसिक मीनिंग्स, तब मैं इसे एक्सप्लेन करूँगा डिटेल में. द नेक्स्ट मीनिंग इज़ बिलो, BELOW is the spelling, and the parts of speech is preposition, and the pronunciation is below, which means नीचे. Below means नीचे होता है. And the next meaning is beneath, BENEATH is the spelling, and the parts of speech is preposition again, and the pronunciation is beneath, which means नीचे. Again, beneath means नीचे, but I will tell you the difference between below and beneath in my preposition, a separate video of parts of speech or the English grammar basics, and this will be found in a separate video which is currently available on my channel in the playlist. The next meaning is beside, BESIDE, beside is the spelling, and the parts of speech is preposition again, and the pronunciation is written here beside. Beside means के बगल में. And the next meaning is besides, 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 and the parts of speech is preposition, PRE, and pronunciation is written here besides, which means के अतिरिक्त या के अलावा. मीन्स हिंदी में किसी भी वाक्य में के अलावा हो तो उसकी इंग्लिश आप लिखेंगे बिसाइड्स, या के अतिरिक्त लिखा हो तो भी उसकी क्या लिखेंगे आप इंग्लिश, बिसाइड्स. द नेक्स्ट मीनिंग इज बिटवीन, BETWEEN, between, between means बीच में, and the parts of speech is preposition again. The next meaning is beyond, BEYOND is the spelling, and the parts of speech is preposition again, and this is written here preposition pronunciation which is beyond, and the meaning is के बाहर, means out of any limit. Anything here is limit, so any limit is called beyond. The next meaning is but, but means लेकिन, and the parts of speech, again the parts of speech is preposition. The next meaning is by, by, and the parts of speech is preposition here, and the pronunciation is by, which means द्वारा. This is very important, by. And the different cases, there are various cases where by is used, preposition by is used. I will tell you it in detail in a separate video, preposition, as I just told. The next meaning is despite, and the parts of speech is preposition, and the spelling is despite, despite, and this is pronunciation despite, which means के बावजूद. Now here you can see these are three meanings which mean के बावजूद. इन तीनों का ही मतलब होता है के बावजूद. Despite, in spite of, और notwithstanding. This notwithstanding is rarely used. यह बहुत ही हार्डली, मुश्किल से यूज होता है, और ये दो जनरली यूज होते हैं, डिस्पाइट और इन स्पाइट ऑफ. मीन्स हिंदी में अगर कहीं भी आपको ये लिखना है या बोलना है के बावजूद, इट मीन्स दिस मीनिंग डिस्पाइट और इन स्पाइट ऑफ. एनी ऑफ दिस टू कैन बी यूज्ड. इन दोनों में से कोई भी एक यूज़ की जा सकती है, डिस्पाइट और इन स्पाइट ऑफ. एंड यू कैन रीड दिस इन स्पाइट ऑफ, INSPITEOF, इन स्पाइट ऑफ means के बावजूद, और despite I just told. So the next meaning is down, 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 which is again preposition. Down means होता है नीचे. And the next meaning is during, and the spelling is DURING, during, which is again preposition, and the pronunciation is during or during. Anything can be spoken as pronunciation. During means दौरान. And the next meaning is except or excluding. Both have the same meaning, means सिवाय या को छोड़कर. There are two meanings of these two synonyms words, except or excluding. बोथ आर preposition and both mean सिवाय या को छोड़कर. मीन्स हिंदी में अगर आप सेंटेंस हिंदी वाक्य में देखते हैं को छोड़कर या सिवाय, तो इनमें से आप कोई भी इंग्लिश यूज कर सकते हैं, एक्सेप्ट या एक्सक्लूडिंग. द नेक्स्ट मीनिंग इज फॉलोइंग, विच मीन्स निम्नलिखित. दिस इज जनरली रिटन इन द बुक. फॉलोइंग मीन्स ट्रांसलेट द फॉलोइंग हिंदी वाक्य टू इंग्लिश. यू कैन see this in English book, following, in any subject, following. So this is again preposition, FOLLOWING is the spelling. Following means निम्नलिखित. This is preposition, and I am surprised knowing that very few students might know the parts of speech of this word following, which is preposition. So the next word is for, FOR is the spelling, and the parts of speech is preposition, and for means के लिए. And the next meaning is from, 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 and from means say, and which is again preposition. And the next meaning is in, IN. This is again preposition. In means may. The next meaning is including, INCLUDING, including is the spelling, and again this is preposition and this is pronunciation, that is including, which means को सम्मिलित करके या शामिल करके. अगर हिंदी में को सम्मिलित करके या शामिल करके की इंग्लिश हमें लिखनी है तो लिखेंगे इंक्लूडिंग या बोलेंगे. The next meaning is inside, and the spelling is INSIDE, inside, and the parts of speech is preposition again. So here all the prepositions I have just listed out here, and I will tell in the coming videos too. So inside means under. The next meaning is into, into, into. The parts of speech is preposition and the pronunciation is into, which means मैं. The next meaning is like, 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 and the parts of speech is preposition and like means जैसे. Actually this like word is preposition as well as is a verb. It is verb as well, which means पसंद करना. Like means, and like means जैसे, means like has more than one part. A like is associated with more than two parts of speech. And the next meaning is near. Near means pass, and the parts of speech is preposition. NEAR is the spelling of this word near. And the next meaning is next. NEXT is the spelling, and the parts of speech is preposition, and the pronunciation is next, which is written here in Hindi next. You can see over the screen, and it means agla. The next meaning is of, OF, and the parts of speech of this word of is preposition, and the pronunciation is of, which means का या की या के. हिंदी में अगर किसी भी वाक्य में का, की या के आता है तो इसकी इंग्लिश होगी ऑफ, OF. द नेक्स्ट मीनिंग इज OFF. वह OF था और यह OFF है. एंड द पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच ऑफ दिस OFF इज ईदर नाउन और प्रेपोजिशन. यह नाउन की तरह भी यूज़ किया सकता है और प्रेपोजिशन की तरह भी यूज़ किया सकता है, और ये दोनों ही टाइप्स को मैं एक सेपरेट वीडियो होगा नाउन का उसमें, और प्रेपोजिशन का उन दोनों में डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करूँगा. और ऑफ मीन्स होता है से, किसी सतह से अलग होने पर. यह प्रेपोजिशन के केस में होता है, और ऑफ आप वैसे ही जानते होंगे जैसे कि इसको स्विच ऑफ कर दीजिए या टर्न ऑफ कर दीजिए. तो इस केस में ये ऑफ नाउन की तरह यूज हो रहा है, और जब किसी वर्ब के साथ यूज होता है तो ये प्रेपोजिशन की तरह यूज होता है. द नेक्स्ट मीनिंग इज ऑन, ON, एंड द पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच इज प्रेपोजिशन, और ऑन मीन्स होता है पर. द नेक्स्ट मीनिंग इज ऑन टू, ONTO, ऑन टू, एंड द पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच इज प्रेपोजिशन. प्रेपोजिशन इसका पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच है. ये इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन लिखा हुआ है. प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज रिटन ओवर द स्क्रीन. यू कैन सी ऑन टू, विच मीन्स पर, मीन्स सवार. यहाँ पर विद इन द ब्रैकेट यू कैन सी हियर सवार इज रिटन इन हिंदी. So it means that it is used with the any person which is riding. Means in case of riding we use on to. The next meaning is opposite. OPPOSITE is the spelling, and the parts of speech is preposition, and this pronunciation of this opposite is, you can see over the screen in written in Hindi, is opposite, which means khilaf. And the next meaning is outside. OUTSIDE is the spelling, and the pronunciation is outside, and the meaning is bahar, and the parts of speech is preposition. The next meaning is over. OVER, over is the spelling, and the parts of speech is preposition, and here you can see this is the pronunciation over, which means ऊपर. The next meaning is past. PAST is the spelling, and the parts of speech is preposition, and here you can see this is pronunciation past, which means gujra. The next meaning is per. PER is the spelling, and the pronunciation is per, and the meaning is के अनुसार. means as per census 2011, as per census 2021. And the parts of speech is preposition. The next meaning is regarding. This is generally used in the profession or professionally. This is generally used means regarding. We talk, we communicate regarding anything, any matter. So this is regarding, 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 and this is preposition, and this pronunciation is regarding, which is written here, and the meaning is sambandhit. Regarding means sambandhit. The next meaning is round. round, round is the spelling, and the parts of speech is preposition, and the pronunciation is round, and the meaning is ke charo or. The next meaning is since. sinc is the spelling, and the parts of speech is preposition, and the pronunciation is since, and meaning is say. This is generally used, or I will tell it in detail in tenses. Means there are three tenses in present, past, and future. I will explain it in detail in present perfect continuous tense, and past perfect continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense. This since and before, these are two prepositions which will be explained in detail in that coming videos in this Hindi to English translation. The next meaning is then, tha and then, and the parts of speech is preposition, and the pronunciation is then, which you can see over the screen. Pronunciation is then, and it means say. Then means say, and it is used for कंपैरिजन, तुलना के लिए, जैसे राम से श्याम से. जैसे कि राम से श्याम क्या है, छोटा है, तो राम इज स्मॉलर देन श्याम. So this is a case of adjective. I'll tell you in detail in adjective. A separate video on adjective will be prepared. एक रिकॉर्ड किया जाएगा. So this is the end of part second Hindi to English translation video, and thanks for watching.